Every day, billions of people around the world do the same thing. They watch. They watch award shows. They watch sports. They watch tournaments. They watch highlights, recaps, debates, and predictions. But what looks like entertainment is actually something else entirely. Because behind every broadcast, stadium, and red carpet, money is moving. Hundreds of billions of dollars move through industries built around a single invisible resource: human attention. For most of history, economic power came from physical resources: land, oil, manufacturing capacity. But the modern economy runs on something less tangible: attention. Where people focus their time, companies capture value. Television networks sell advertising. Streaming platforms sell subscriptions. Sports leagues sell broadcast rights. Betting platforms sell transactions. All of them compete for the same scarce resource: your focus. And when millions of people focus on the same event at the same moment, the economic impact multiplies. Financially, when audiences gather simultaneously, industries can monetize attention at multiple layers: advertising revenue, sponsorship deals, ticket sales, broadcast rights, betting transactions, merchandise, data analytics. The result is a powerful financial engine, not built on products, but on moments. Moments when the world is watching. But if attention is the new currency, who controls the banks? Every year, the film industry gathers for a ceremony that lasts just a few hours. No tickets are sold to the public. No product is launched. No movie is released that night. And yet, the event generates more than $200 million in economic activity, all centered around a single object: a gold statue. The Academy Awards. On the surface, the Oscars appear to be a celebration of artistic achievement, but economically, they function as something much more strategic. They are a marketing machine. Winning an Oscar changes how audiences perceive a film. It transforms movies from entertainment products into cultural events. Studios understand this dynamic very well, which is why they spend tens of millions of dollars campaigning for awards, because the payoff can be enormous financially. Winning an Oscar often produces what Hollywood calls the Oscar bump. After an award win, ticket sales increase, streaming demand rises, international distribution expands. On average, Best Picture nominees see box office increases of roughly 20%. For smaller films, the effect can be even larger. In other words, prestige converts directly into revenue. But the statue itself is not what creates value. The real value comes from something far more powerful: scarcity. Each year, thousands of films are produced around the world, but only a handful receive nominations at the Academy Awards, and even fewer win. That scarcity is not accidental. It is the core of the system. Prestige markets operate differently from traditional industries. Instead of maximizing supply, they restrict it. Luxury brands do this with limited production. Elite universities do it with low acceptance rates. And Hollywood does it with awards. Because when recognition becomes rare, recognition becomes valuable. Financially, a nomination alone can dramatically increase a film's visibility. Studios strategically release films during awards season to maximize exposure. Campaign budgets for Oscar contenders can reach $10 to $30 million. But if the campaign succeeds, the financial return can multiply. Awards turn films into prestige assets, and prestige assets command premium pricing. But films are not the only assets whose value increases with prestige. The same effect applies to people. In Hollywood, talent is not priced purely by skill. It is priced by perception. And few signals influence perception more than awards recognition. Actors like Jesse Buckley or Michael B. Jordan can see their market value shift dramatically after major nominations. Film production operates like an investment portfolio. Studios finance projects expecting future returns. But predicting which films will succeed is extremely difficult. So studios rely on signals, reputation, critical acclaim, awards recognition. Actors with strong prestige signals reduce perceived investment risk, which allows them to command higher salaries. Financially, an Oscar nomination can increase an actor's salary by millions because prestige signals influence studio financing decisions, marketing budgets, distribution deals, international sales. In effect, awards function like credit ratings for talent. They certify cultural value, and cultural value translates into economic leverage. But the true power of prestige is not just in individuals. It lies in entire ecosystems built around credibility. Look closely at the marketing for many films, and you will see a small phrase repeated everywhere. Academy Award winner. 3 words that can reshape audience perception instantly. Prestige signals influence how audiences evaluate media. Award recognition acts as a shortcut for quality. When viewers see an Oscar logo attached to a film, they assume higher artistic value, stronger storytelling, cultural importance. Studios integrate this signal into every layer of marketing. Posters, streaming thumbnails, trailers, press releases. Financially, for studios, prestige functions like brand equity. Once a film gains recognition, it can generate revenue across multiple platforms. Theatrical releases, streaming licensing, international distribution, educational screenings. The award itself is symbolic, but the perception it creates becomes a financial asset. At the beginning of this story, we looked at stadiums filled with fans, betting screens updating every second, and award shows watched around the world. Events that looked like entertainment. But behind the lights, cameras, and celebrations, something else was happening. Money was moving. Across film, sports, and media, one pattern keeps repeating. Attention gathers. Audiences synchronize, and industries monetize that moment. The Academy Awards demonstrate this perfectly. A single evening where the world briefly focuses on the same stage. The award itself costs only a few $100s to produce, but the prestige attached to it can generate hundreds of millions in value. Because prestige changes perception, and perception changes price. Financially, winning an Oscar can increase box office revenue, streaming demand, international distribution deals, actor salary negotiations, studio marketing leverage. The statue is symbolic, but the signal it sends to markets is powerful. Prestige becomes an economic multiplier. Across other industries, the same principles apply. Sports betting converts every transaction into measurable revenue. Global football synchronizes billions of fans into a single economic engine. NBA franchises combine media, real estate, and events to build durable financial fortresses. At the core, all these systems follow the same four-stage model. 1. Capture attention. 2. Aggregate audience. 3. Monetize engagement. 4. Build durable assets. Because in the modern economy, attention is the currency. At the beginning of this documentary, we asked a question. If attention is the new currency, who controls the banks? The answer is now clearer. The companies shaping the future economy will not simply build products. They will build systems where the world's attention gathers. And the industries that master that system will quietly operate the most powerful financial engines on Earth. If this changed how you see money, subscribe. These documentaries are built for thinkers, not spectators.